Let us solve these two equations using the substitution method. Our first equation is x plus y equals to 13, and our second equation is x minus 2y equals to negative 2. Let us call this as equation 1, and let us call this as equation 2. Using equation 1, again this is x plus y equals to positive 13. We are going to solve for x in terms of y, and we need to transfer or transpose positive y to the other side. How do we transfer or transpose positive y to the other side? To do that, we will just subtract. Subtract y on the left, and whatever you do on the left must also be done on the right. You subtract also y on the right side. Since positive y minus y is 0, we will just bring down x here. So x will be equal to 13 minus y. And we are going to call this as our equation 3. And using the substitution method, we are going to substitute our equation 3 to our equation 2. Now you might be asking, why equation 2? We will use equation 2 because we already used equation 1. Our equation 2 is x minus 2y equals to negative 2. Instead of x here, we will now use 13 minus y. So again, instead of x, this will now be 13 minus y minus 2y equals to negative 2. And then we can combine like terms. We have here 13, negative y minus 2y, this will be negative 3y equals to negative 2. We need to cancel out 13 on the left. To cancel this, we will just subtract 13 on the left and subtract 13 on the right. Positive 13 minus 13 is 0. We will just bring down negative 3y. And this will be negative 2 minus 13. This is negative 15. To find for y, we need to cancel out negative 3 on the left. To cancel out negative 3 on the left, we are going to multiply this by negative 1 over 3. And again, whatever you do on the left must also be done on the right. You need also to multiply this by negative 1 over 3. Negative 1 over 3 multiplied by negative 3y, this will now lead us to positive y. Negative 15 multiplied by negative 1 over 3, this will now give us positive 5. Our y now is equal to positive 5, and this is one of our answer. To find for x, we will now substitute y equals to positive 5 to equation 1. Our equation 1 is x plus y equals to 13. So we are going to substitute 5 to y. Our equation here will become x plus 5 equals to positive 13. And to find for x, we need to transfer or transpose positive 5 to the other side. And to do this, we will just subtract 5 on the left. And again, whatever you do on the left must also be done on the right. Subtract 5 on the right side. Since positive 5 minus 5 is 0, we will just bring down x. And this will be equal to 13 minus 5. This will give us positive 8. Our x now is equal to positive 8. And this is our second answer.